In this video, I'm going to be going over how to change font size in WordPress step by step. Changing the font size in WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you'll successfully have the font size changed for your WordPress site. I'll be covering two ways on how you can change the font size in WordPress. The first way is if you want to change the font size straight from the individual WordPress page or post using the editor. And the second way is if you want to change the font size for something across your entire site, like paragraph text, H2s, and more. Let's get started on the first way to change the font size in WordPress. From the WordPress dashboard, click Posts or Pages in the left side menu. Whether you want to change the font size for a post or page, the steps are the same. I'll choose Page. Next, click Edit underneath the page you want to edit. I'm now on the editor for the page. Click into a block you want to change the font size for. For example, I'll click this one. Over on the right, make sure a block is selected. You'll see typography. You'll see you can change the different font sizes that it has. If you want to input a custom font size, click the Set Custom Size icon. You can now drag it to the size you want or input the size you want. If you need to reset the font size back to its default setting, click the three dots here. Click Font Size to reset it back to how it originally was. If you want to change the font size for an individual word, group of words, or letter, you can do this by using inline CSS. Here's how to do this. Click into the block where you want to do this. Click the three dots. Click Edit as HTML. You'll see the text words showing here. Let's say I want to change just the font size for word here. You want to enter in the HTML code like shown. I provided the code in the description in a Google Doc where you can easily copy and paste it in. Copy the code and paste it in right after work. You'll see font size. You can change this to the font size you like. Where you see your word, change this to work. For you, just change to whatever you want. Next, I'll go ahead and now delete the word work. So it'll now look like this. If you want more than one word in a sentence, you just put your sentence or letter or whatever you want in place of your word. When finished, click Edit visually. You'll see Word is now changed to the font size I chose. Click Update to save your changes. Next, let's cover the second way to change the font size in WordPress using additional CSS. I'll click the WordPress icon here at the top to go back to the WordPress dashboard. In the left side menu, hover over Appearance and click Customize. Next, click Additional CSS at the bottom. For this, I provided the code to enter here in the description in the Google Docs form. I've included the paragraph text, H1, H2, H3, H4, and H5. You can just copy and paste the code here. I'll enter the code here for the paragraph. You can now change the font size here to what you'd like. Next, let's say the H2 font size I want to change to. I'll skip a line. I'll paste in the code. I'll change the size to what I want. You'll see the H2 font size has been changed. Click the Publish button at the top. That is how to change font size in WordPress. You should now have the font size changed for your WordPress site. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.